Okay, so for problem number 1 in the guided practice, we have triangle XYZ, and then it lists the vertices here, right? These are the vertices. And then we are asked to find the vertices of the triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime after the translation 6 units to the right. Oh, that's pretty easy. So what we're going to do, 6 units to the right is going to be whatever the X value is plus 6, and then the Y value stays the same. That's all we do. So X prime then would be, what's 6 plus negative 3?
Why is it taking so long?
Well, think of it like this. What's 6 minus 3?
3. It's 3. First try.
Y prime, what's 6 plus negative 1?
5.
Very good. And Y stays the same. And then Z prime, what's 6 plus 1?
7.
7. And then the Y stays the same. So what we got to do is we just got to plot these points here. So X prime is 3 comma negative 2. So I go over 1, 2, 3, down 2. That's my X prime. Y prime is 5, 0. And then Z prime is 7 comma negative 6. So this is X prime. This is Y prime. And this little thing right here is Z prime. Then we're going to connect the dots. Oh, that's the wrong color, isn't it?
Wait.
I guess it doesn't matter, but I like to, for the fun of it, make it match. Are you guys complaining about my OCD tendency? Sounds like you're making fun of me. Yeah, make fun of the math teacher. All right. It is funny? Okay. Anyways, let's do the next one. Do I make fun of you guys?
Yes!
Oh, sorry. Describe what happens to the X and Y coordinates after the point is reflected across the X-axis. Do you guys remember? You change the sign of which coordinate? No. Of the Y coordinate. You change the sign of the Y coordinate. So if it's positive, you make it negative. If it's negative, you make it positive. That's it. So I'll write it out. We're going to say X comma Y, and then that gets changed to X comma negative Y. That's how you reflect. Now it says the rule, use the rule X comma Y transforms to Y comma negative X to graph the image to the right. Describe the transformation. So we got to figure out what this is. So this is going to be negative 4. Is that comma 2? So that's my X comma Y. So then my transform function would be 2 comma positive 4. And we could label this. I'll just call this A, and we'll call this A prime. So A prime is going to occur at 2 comma 4. So I'm going to go over here, 1, 2, and then go up 4, and that's my A prime. We'll call this point B. That point is negative 3 comma 4, negative 3 comma 4. So then B prime would be 4 comma positive 3. So I'm going to go over 4, up 3. That's my B prime. And then this, we'll call this one C. This unit here is 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. We'll call that one C. So then C prime would be 3 comma what? -2. Good. Just wanted to see if you guys were paying attention. So I'm going to go over 3 down 2. And that's C prime. Then we'll connect the dots. So from here all the way down to here. From here all the way over here. I don't hear you guys making the sound. You're not going to do it? Okay. So now, what did we do? Well, it looks like we rotated 90 degrees, but what direction? Clockwise. So just put 90 degrees clockwise. Now, you know what? We could have cheated and just went up here and looked. Remember? Read the recipe.
Oh.
90 degrees clockwise. Look at that. Y, comma, -x. Duh. But that's okay. You guys need to practice. Okay, number 4, it says, how do the x and y coordinates change when a figure is translated A units to the right and B units down? Well, that's easy. It's going to be x plus A, comma, y minus B. Get on my level.
Why are there letters in there?
Well, that's like if what the A represents a number. So if I said 3 units to the right, it'd be x plus 3. And if I said I'm going down 7 units, then it would be y minus 7. That makes sense.
In my opinion, I still think you should be able to write those numbers.
Me personally, as a math teacher who's been trained in teaching math, I feel like I know what I'm doing.
I didn't say you don't know what you're doing. I just said
Widowy.
that